Hey guys, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. I don't know if you can see the reflection in my glasses of the view that I'm looking at right now, but you are definitely going to want to stick around for this one tonight. So we got a review on the Lion Energy Safari XL, and we're going to do some cooking out here in the backcountry tonight. So stick around for this ride. You're not going to want to miss it. This is going to be a good one. With my dad, and I was probably 8 years old, and we came out here hunting forest grouse. Honestly guys, I'm getting a little sentimental right here because I actually lost my dad back in February, so this is just kind of a little trip down memory lane for me. I'll share it with you guys. Hey, so you guys saw that I was buzzing down this little trail right here, and boom, all of a sudden it comes to an end. However, I'm looking at some interesting stuff right down here further. I'm gonna go for a little hike and show you what I find. Who knows, it might be something, might be nothing. Looks like kind of the makings, or looks like what might have been a old log structure, but we're gonna go find out. Well, I was sorely mistaken. You know, from back there, You can see all this deadfall, and it's all piled up. I could have swore it looked like a little old log cabin like I've shown you guys in the past. Anyway, there's a landmarker up here anyway. I'm going to investigate what that is. It's a pretty cool little spot right here. I was really hoping that road would come down further. Oh, this is a section marker. See that? Let's see, what year was that put there? That was actually put there in 1970. But shows the private property boundary from the Forest Service and the private. So if you look on here, there's a corner there, and that part right there goes into private right there. I just happen to know because I know the area, and I have some other ground up here that's for sale that's listed with my brokerage. But anyway, nothing to see here but that. So anyway, let's keep riding. All right, so any of you guys are familiar with the Paiute Trail? That draw right there below me, that's Trail 66, or also known as Rocky Canyon. That's one of the roughest trails, if not the roughest trail, on the whole Paiute system. And it's limited to 50 inches only. Hey guys, I'm sorry. I'm getting distracted on this trail I haven't been on for 40 years, but this is kind of cool. I got some video to shoot, but we'll get it done. Stick with me. Wow, you guys, that was totally worth it. I bring to you Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Man, check that out, you guys. So this canyon right here below us, look at that. Woo! Anyway, this is Rock Canyon. There's actually an ATV trail that comes up the bottom of that. And it is a rocky son of a gun. So Rock Canyon, the next canyon over that you see right over there, that is called Water Canyon. That's that canyon comes right out of Big Lake. So I'm gonna get some stuff set up, and we're gonna do a couple of other videos. Well, all right, you guys. There may or may not be some fire restrictions going on right now, but I have to cook my food. Hey guys, man, I don't think a setup can get any better than this. Hey guys, how about this? Woo, look at that. This is the life right here on Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Thanks for checking us out. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. All right, how many of you guys are meat snobs? I brought my thermopop with me because you got to know when it's medium rare. Also, just a quick little throwdown. Man, Hay Grill Hay. If you haven't tried their seasonings for smoking, that's what I did on this. This is their Hay Grill Hay beef. And whoo, I did one last night on the smoker, and man, that stuff is good. So shout out to Hay Grill Hay right there. Wow, you guys, I'm not even kidding you. No knife needed. Look at that. It just, woo. Oh. Wow. Here's some ASMR for you. Oh, nothing like a good steak and an incredible view. That's Rocky Mountain Backcountry. All right, you guys, the first thing we need to discuss is this little beauty right here. So this kit came with actually 2 solar panels. I only brought one of them with me this time, but I got it plugged in there, and you can see right now it's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, 5:30, something like that. And you can see there I'm pulling 50, oh, there's 60, 59, 60 watts of power, and it shows it's charging right there. I'll tell you what, Solar Energy Safari LT. I'm gonna enter some video right here of me charging up some stuff. All right, if you're gonna charge anything, you might as well charge everything. We got the 3 drone batteries. We got 3 batteries for the GoPro. We got the charger, the drone remote charging. And let's check this out. Total watts of output right now, we've got 69, 70 watts of output. And at that rate, this right here tells me that that is going to run for 5.7 hours. And anyway, pretty sweet. Lion Energy. I figure when I'm out, after it charges all day, this will be a way that I can charge all the batteries I need to charge and keep going. Alright, so it's a couple more hours later, everything's charged up, and you can see I'm still about 75% of that battery remaining in that. So yeah, that's impressive. Charge all that stuff probably 4 times on one charge. I'm good with that. All right, so there's some things I got charged up. It's got these ports on the side. It's got USB and USB-C ports here. It's got other 12-volt ports here. It has a non-regulated 12-volt port right there. They say it's non-regulated, so I don't know what that means. Take it for what it's worth. Some guys say not to use it, but you got a wall charger input, the solar input, and I don't even think, seriously guys, I don't think this thing weighs like maybe 8-9 pounds. And you can see I just snagged this bag out of my closet. That'll be my electrical carry-on bag for all of my backcountry adventures right there. I'll be able to take the solar, be able to charge batteries, charge my GoPros. I also had hooked up to it my my charger for my little Baofeng radio. But I'll tell you right now, you guys, I love it. I think that's exactly how I'll take it with me when I go out. Hoping in the next week or two we'll go do a camp out. Do a little UTV overlanding. Well, that's just kind of a quick and dirty on the Safari XL from Lion Energy. If you guys check the link down below, you'll be able to get 15% off. I talked with these guys and worked out a deal with them. And you're going to want to take that with you on your next UTV or ATV overlanding trip. It really doesn't take up a lot of space. And I'm going to show you in one of my next videos how we pack that thing up and carry it on the side-by-side. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't, like if you do, and thanks again for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry.